We're on our way.
Haciendo el amor a la misma vez tú te tocas. Bebé, no te pasa nada, vuélvete loca. Y tu novio te trata mal.
All day. Oh, we're here.
Mi diablita, ella se pone pornográfica en la intimidad y su marido no la valora y la deja sola. Y yo siempre la estoy esperando con mi pistola y conmigo ella siempre se moja. Bebecita, tu hombre te ama pero tú le eres infiel, porque tú eres una diabla dentro de una mujer. Y cuando se esconde el sol tú quieres beber y es Lucifer.
Bebecita, tu hombre te ama pero tú le eres infiel. Porque tú eres una diabla dentro de una mujer. Y cuando se esconde el sol tú quieres beber. Hija de Lucifer. Baby con rata ta ta ta. Baby yo soy tu criminal. Baby con rata ta ta ta. Baby tu novio lo va a olvidar. Baby con rata ta ta ta. Baby conmigo te va a mudar. Baby con rap bang 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 bang. Baby dos tiros lo voy a matar. Pa' fuera. Pa' qué, pa' qué, pa' qué. Pa' qué vas a serle fiel. Pa' qué, pa' qué, pa' qué. Baby olvídate de él. Tú eres mi diablita y yo soy tu demonio.
Yeah, and girl, me want for you all, yo. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Girl, me want for just squeeze you. Put me things all around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Me guide them,
We're approaching Lower Dover, and this is our hostel in Unitedville.
I will be there. Me want a girl me can wine for me. Me want a girl me can take care of me. Let me feel it, let me reveal it. Oh, me have to really squeeze it. Girl, me want for you all, yo. Put me arms right around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Girl, me just want to squeeze you. Put me things all around you. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Hold on, like a fast bike on the road, boom, 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 boom. Girl, on the back and she a boom, 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 boom. Give me the maga one, not the fat cum, cum, cum. Me the play last one time, it come to cum, cum. Me out of control, I'm more fire, she want in her soul. She say more and more and still she grown. And still me multiply more, girl, me want fi just hold ya. Put me arms right around ya. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Girl, me want fi just squeeze ya. Put me arms right around ya. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Squeeze ya, around ya. Tightest hold me ever get in my life. Sweet little devil there. Yeah.
Took the city bus to get to like this ferry, and then they're like, oh no, like you're late, like you can't come anymore, because like it's a mile to like the ruin from like where the ferry goes. They're like, unless you have a car, but we don't. Anyway, so we're going, now we ran, and it's all uphill, and it's really hot. I have half a water left.
Squeeze ya, put me things all around ya. Girl, you give me the tightest hold me ever get in my life. Squeeze ya, around ya. Tightest hold me ever get in my life. Love, yeah, yeah.
Seen the way you're talking on my phone last
last night. It was way more than a $2 holler. Stole your heart like Alibaba. Seen the way you're talking on my phone last night, oh God. Do it on my jet, let's keep this private. She wants me too, she ain't even in denial. Wanna make love, she ain't even in denial. We can get away, maybe to Guatemala. Got me going deep, got me all in fresh water. Baby, when you laughing, is it cause you feel an excellent vibe? That was just a fraction of the good love I provide. See some niggas talking on the side, can you keep that silent? Not quiet. Maybe saying something, but you didn't mean nothing by it. Took her to the room, in other words, kept that private. She was my heartbreak, told her keep those violets. Seen the way you're talking on my phone last night.
Welcome. Why, oh, why, oh, why? Hey. Chronixx, left and right. Just how just I come. Left and right. Better, better, better. Ooh, yeah. Ah, boy. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I and I start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Ay. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who at the general issue in a warning. Job people them a ball, said them tired of mediocre. Evil a go fall when we tried in Ethiopia. Believing from down, cause them life no easy boat, yeah. Even Bantan said it's not an easy road. Operation occupy the motherland, calling all soldiers to kindly trot along. From creation, he writing a job plan, but Chronixx can't do it alone. So I'm recruiting soldiers coming from near and far, I choose executing. Selassie works and be Rastafari true. And them say, here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I'm gonna start recruit soldiers for Selassie army. Aye. Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Welcome the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. You're not for axes who are the general issue in a warning.
Yeah, him only go on like him so. But I mean no man rough you up. Yeah, yeah. Girl stand up tall. Girl no bother ball. Just don't give him no love at all. No make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. Yeah. No make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright. That boy they no know quality. He need to get back to reality. Nobody lose your sanity for vanity. No take no more false apology. No make no money.
You're gonna throw up.
Before he mash you up, try break it off. Don't even take a second thought. Just pack your clothes and walk. No make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. Yes. No make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. Yes, yes. Hey, girl, you know see you body look proper. Nobody take no liquor, them call him Dan Dada. The house and the car, them sitting there no matter. Beat you in front of the pitney, them that even sadder. That boy they fi know same of a mother. A black eye or some real lover, which one you rather? You know say your happiness come first. You know me now.
Man, welcome,
Introduce
man.
yourself.
I'm Dion. Stop that right there. You know that way? Welcome to Poco Loco Belize style.
Yeah.
No make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. You no need him around. Yeah. Me say him only go on like him tough. But I mean no man broke you up. No, no. Girl, stand up tight and please no bother ball. Just don't give him no love at all. Me say no make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. Yes, no make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. You are hear me? Me say no make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave. Just leave the clown. Yes, me say no make no man beat you down. Don't do it, girl. Better you leave the clown. I telling me time love you, or him left you, or another man around and go get you. Either him love you, or him